All right, this morning we are looking at Trendcentrics Incorporated, TRXC. It ran hard yesterday and we weren't able to play it, unfortunately. So it got rejected at the $4 mark up here. We are trying to buy under 350, 50 EMAs, right around 355. But I sort of try to round down whenever I'm buying in. So 350 would be nice. Did get a nice little drop right here, and hopefully that drop continues because there is a lot of volume in this one right now. It's the only one sort of moving this early morning, and yeah, we're gonna try to get under 350 if we can, and update you in just a few moments. Looks like it got rejected at the fours again. Buy-in is still under 360. Or actually, no, we had it at 350. We're raising it up to 360, and it's testing the fours. There is a lot of bull pressure on this one right now, and honestly, the best thing for us would probably be to pass the fours. But we'll see. This thing could trigger a bunch of shorts if it doesn't continue on its upward trend here. It has raised a lot since yesterday. Okay, so yeah, it got rejected at the $4 mark again. If it doesn't hold, this thing is going to trigger a really big sell-off. A lot of people got in yesterday, and a lot of people are in the twos. So normally I aim for 50 EMA, but for this one, I'm going to go ahead and drop down even lower than that. I mean, if it keeps getting rejected here, that is, it's trying again to go to the fours. And who knows, it might pass it, it might not, but right now the best bet would just be to observe this thing to see if it has enough strength to go into the next channel. But I don't think so as of now. Okay, well, yeah, it popped over the $4 mark. That could have been the best thing that could happen for us, so we are going to raise our target to 375. Okay, just a little update here. Passed through $4, passed 410, and it is capping out at around 430. Actually, I might be speaking too soon, but the bulls got a really good hold of this one, and it's just amazing to me how it passes those levels. Our target now is steadily rising, right around 380. We'll see if we can get a good downtrend here. Right now it's at an uptrend, and we just got to play the waiting game, and hopefully the volume keeps coming in today and get a little breathing room to buy in. Okay, so kept on rising all the way up to 440, and there might be new resistance right there. And we'll see if these couple candles can't get us down in the threes again. I'm not sure how far this thing will drop because it's just risen so much and there's just so much bull volume. But we're going to stick to our plan here. Just follow the EMAs as they rise. Under 390 is the new target. 440 is the cap. And we're just going to try to keep this channel as low risk as possible. It might even pass 440, we'll see. This thing is amazing. It popped over 440, and it's right in the 450s now. And it's a great sign for the bulls. And 50 EMA just continues to rise. We are trying to get under $4. And like I said, this uptrend it's been going on for a while now. I'm not sure if a downtrend is going to come, but when it does, it's going to just just the fact that all the bulls are here, it's a really strong case for retest of the high of the day. Well, this thing is a certified monster right now. It is pushing 480, 490. Absolutely no breathing on the buys. They're just all buys so far. And not sure when people are going to take profits, but when they do, this thing's going to come crumbling down really quick. And our goal is just to get in and try to time the dip perfectly, which, man, there's just a lot of gap to be covered down here. So we'll see how far she goes down when she does. But right now it looks like it's about to push up to 5 before anything even happens. Okay, so the 493 mark is acting like the next resistance so far. That was the biggest red candle I've seen this morning. Hopefully that triggers some sort of sell-off. But right now we are trying to get it as close to $4 as possible. Honestly, this thing has risen too high, too fast, with no breather. So we'll see if this market can change the trend here. You can see it's a long way up, which usually equals a long way down. Right now our alerts are right around the 4s. But it still looks like it has strength, so we'll see. Well, as I thought, it was testing the 5s. Apparently there's a 200,000 block of shares at $5. So that's going to scare a lot of people, and that might actually be the start of the downtrend here. I would think so anyways. The 50 EMA is not a really good place to buy in right now. It's about 50 cents profit margin. I think it's going to drop a full dollar here. And if we can just aim for under the 100, that should be a good enough spot for at least the first round of shorts to cover. Almost $1, so right around 20%. I think that would be a pretty good spot. All right, here comes the downtrend off that $5 rejection. Looks like it's dropping below the 50. Once again, 50 EMA is just a little too high for us to buy into. The safest bet would be right under the 100. And yeah, this thing's going to be, a lot of people are just going to try to bring this down as much as possible. We'll see if we can get down to the 101 quick trend here. And it looks like they're trying to fight back. But that $5 cap it's a real thing. 200,000 shares, that's a lot. So we'll see if we can't get under the 50 in just a moment here. All right, so it went up to from 440 to 470, back down to create a newer low, which is a sign that the downtrend is still coming down here. Hundreds right at 426. We're trying to buy under there. Yeah, this looks like the start of a downtrend, and hopefully it'll continue. Like I said, we want just about $4 here, but we'll see. All right, we are just about to dip under the 100. I did a little bounce back right here, but I don't think I don't think they have enough strength to pull over 435 right now. So we're still waiting for that. I think one more big red candle should do it. All right, so it's fallen below the 100 EMA, and we are going to aim for right here at 404 or 410s and try to get that $4 average. In at 428. All right, the 428 buy was right on the money, right under the 100 EMA. It's now approaching 450. And it looks like, all right, so we're going to put a stop loss over on 430. And since this stock has ran 2 days now, unless it climbs again, I'm just going to be just going to focus on another trade. We had good timing, and if it runs the stop losses, then I doubt it will climb any higher.